Well, it was a week ago that we were dealing with Hurricane Dorian, and this week things are a little bit quieter. We still have a named storm in the north central Atlantic, that being Gabrielle, but overall a little quieter. Just a few different waves that the National Hurricane Center is tracking as of now. Summer-like temps will be found in the central and southern U.S. today and tomorrow, and on the northern periphery of that, some severe storms and some flooding rain. So latest update from the National Hurricane Center on Tropical Storm Gabrielle, 50-mile-per-hour sustained winds. There it is, not quite as impressive as Dorian was last week. But again, this is going to be lifting northeast pretty quickly. Actually, the movement right now is 25 miles per hour. Could be Ireland and maybe England as we get into the end of the week. There are a few different waves out in the central Atlantic and a little bit closer to home, both moving west-northwest, and low probability of formation over that 5-day period, so we'll be watching for that. Just note that there will be an uptick in the thunderstorm potential over Florida and the southeast later this week. Temperatures are very warm, 86 Chicago, 94 in St. Louis, nearing 100 in the southern and southeastern U.S. There is a heat advisory for St. Louis where it'll feel more like 100 this afternoon, but a number of heat index values that'll be around 100 or better in the southeast and southern U.S. today and tomorrow. Not as hot, though, as you head farther north. In fact, fall-like readings as you get into the international border, but the eastern two-thirds of the nation, starting the third week of September, will be warmer than average. Here's today's weather map. A front moving through the central U.S., kicking out some severe weather. In fact, an enhanced risk today from South Dakota to Nebraska. It does appear that tornadoes will be possible, but large hail and damaging winds will be the primary concern, and we're looking at some very heavy rain through the end of the week. Several inches of rain possible, 1 to maybe 3 inches. That could lead to some flooding and pretty quiet in the central U.S. here today. Have a good one.